Is it a crazy idea to think that you can completely change your life? Sometimes it sounds ridiculous to step away from everything comfortable, but maybe you've realized you're not where you want to be. Your marriage feels strained, your body hurts, your career lacks passion. You might hope things will get better, but hope alone doesn't lead to real transformation. The truth is, you're the perfect outcome of your choices. So, where have your choices led you? 2 years ago, I made my own radical choice. I was a lieutenant colonel in the Air Force, close to a 20-year pension, and working a job I knew inside and out was very comfortable. Yet something still felt off. I suspect many of you feel that restlessness as well, a nagging sense that your potential lies untapped. So I walked away from that security, believing there was more for me on the other side of discomfort, discipline, and risk. Looking back, the most important change I made was setting aside time every morning in solitude with the Lord. In that quiet space, I found a peace and a clarity that said, "You're in my hands. Make yourself fully available to me." Little by little, my marriage grew stronger, my health improved, and my calling became clear. How did that happen? By pairing hope with tangible action, choice, small daily decisions that gradually reshape my entire life. This Christmas season reflects that journey. My wife and I stayed up late decorating, lights, gifts, special meals, all to create a sense of wonder for our children, our friends, and anyone who came through our door. Someone might ask, isn't now a bad time to invest so much effort into the holidays? Especially since I'm not bringing in any significant income, which would normally terrify most people. But investing in joy can be life-giving, especially when it points back to the King who left heaven out of love for us. Sure, it's a lot of work, yet every sparkle in my kids' eyes reminds me exactly why we chose this hard. Many of us will make New Year's resolutions soon, but 88% within 2 weeks will be done. One key reason is that we confuse hope with choice. Hope is powerful, but never a guarantee. What if you labeled your own fears? It seems like you're worried about failing again, and then asked, what small step can I take today? That's tactical empathy. It's acknowledging your hesitation while moving forward anyway. For me, that next step is bringing better, more affordable healthcare solutions to people in need. I'm stepping into 2025 with a passion that's been building for 2 years, but that also started with a single step, a single decision, a single choice. So let me ask you, are you satisfied with the outcome of your choices so far in life? If not, it might be time to choose your heart. Don't just hope for a better marriage, better health, or a more fulfilling career. Make decisions, make choices that align with your faith and your future. Spend time in quiet reflection, seek guidance from those you've gone before you successfully, and follow through on every step, even when it's uncomfortable. Because living a life unfulfilled, watching your marriage crumble, dealing with disobedient children, feeling overweight or fat, tired and lacking passion, those too are hard things to live with. So as many people say, choose your heart, but it's a choice. And when you're ready, you'll find a fellow sojourner running right along next to you.